An update on the haze situation. Despite rainfall in certain areas, the air quality in Peninsula Malaysia is getting worse. As of 6 p.m. Monday, 5 areas now have unhealthy air quality, up from just 1 earlier today. Those plagued with unhealthy air pollutant index levels are Seremban, Negeri Sembilan, Seri Manjung, Perak, as well as 3 Selangor districts, namely Shah Alam, Banting and Port Klang. Many other areas are bordering on unhealthy air quality levels, including Muar Johor, Putrajaya, Batu Muda in KL, Suruhanjaya 2 in Penang, Taiping, Perak, and Sungai Petani, Kedah.